everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some Scrap Diva Design project shares. You can find all these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com and get a 10% discount using my code PRISTRAMIC10. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here we have some mini Santas, and these mini Santas has a tiny one and a small one. And in the previous release, we had a Santa mini album, which is a little bit bigger than the small one here. So we'll have 3 in a row that is like a set. So it looks really cute and includes everything you see here. I just added this Ho 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 and Merry Merry Christmas from the Holly Jolly paper collection from Crepe Paper. And also you see in the background are these candy cane Rosette duos, which were released last month. So it looks so great with these Santa on top of them. I thought it looks so cute. And these mini Santas are so cute. It's great for embellishments, and you can also make these into ornaments. Just add a ribbon and it's just super duper cute. And here we have this one. This one's called Lantern Mini Album. It's really nice size. Isn't this so adorable? It says here the Fairies Festival. I added some fairy dust, which is this here called Illusion Stickles. And here's a fairy. I added some wings at the back here, and this collection is super adorable. It's called the Cherry Sweet from Prima Marketing. And this lantern is so pretty. I used an embossing folder to emboss these patterns on here. And I added some more sparkles around the frame, and it includes these candles. I made these candles light up. It's really cute. Just press this ladybug. Isn't this so cool? And yeah, these are just LED lights with some of the, there's some conducting from a battery, this tape that you can use, and it conducts the current from the battery, and you can just tape it wherever you like, and it's really cool. If you want to see a tutorial on this, yeah, let me know in the description box below, and I'll make a tutorial on that. And here it also has this part here where you can make it into album. So there's many different layering pieces. I love this pattern here. It's just really beautiful. It has this loop here that you can loop a ribbon here and hang this lantern. You can make it into a 3D lantern, which is like so cool. And I've hanged this air balloon piece. It's like a fairies, it's like a festival. So yeah, and all these pretty butterflies I've added here. It's just super cute with these ladybugs around. It's like, and this air balloon has some cherries inside, which is also cute. So I dangled some cherries there. And also I've added these winter flowers from this month's release. So it looks so magical. And I've hanged some pearls down here and dangled them, and the swan that she's carrying, and then here's a cute hedgehog with a crown on its head. I've added some sparkles all around, all this fairy dust. It's so magical, so cool. Okay, so let's move on to the next projects. We have this, these ones. It comes in a set. It's called the Shadow Box Bundle. It's really awesome, this Shadow Box Bundle. It has a camera and a TV, and we'll talk about the camera first. And so the camera includes this part here and another piece, but I didn't add it because I wanted to see through the lens here. And it says picking you always, and here you see the winter flowers again. And this is from my stash this tab. I just added it on here so you could open this flap easily. And so it's super duper cute and cool. And I also added a light here. It's like so cool. It's like flashing camera while you're taking a picture. You open the flap and it's 3D, so you can add a lot of these sequins and bits and pieces in here. It's really, really cute. And then in the frame you see this fairy riding a fox. Super duper cute. I've added a Velcro here so you can secure the flap. And I also included a slot here so you can change the background. So this is sort of like a photo frame as well. So I just thought that was like super duper neat. So yeah. So I'll demonstrate some other cards that I made for the TV, and I can put it in here. You can put your photos in here, and it's just so cute. It could act like a frame. So thought that was really cool. You can switch up the images, and I was planning to add more stuff around here too. So yeah, it's like you could even probably make another layer, like it's like some trees around it or flowers, anything like that. And this TV is, you can hold more images, as I made it into like a little box using the suitcase box die set. It came with the strip, and it's like just wide enough for it to be a holder for your photos or anything. It could be business cards. I even put like this foam tape in there because like you could probably add many more cards in here. See, this is just 2 cards in here. You could probably fit more than like 25 cards in here, I bet. And anyways, in the back I made it also see-through. So here's another image, and you can switch it up. I just thought it was really cute TV set. And I also made this light up. It's so cool. The lights here, if you can see. You just press on here. I'm just having so much fun with these projects, and adding these lights on there is like so cool looking. It's like you press the button, change the channel. Here you see a fairy riding on a rabbit. I just thought this is so super magical, these images. And yeah, you can switch it up like here, like this, and just plop it into this empty space. I put a washi tape there to fill up the space so it doesn't fall backwards, the image, or lean towards the back. So once you fill it up with more cards, it will be like all filled up and it won't move as much. So yeah, you could even change the image from the back to the front. Yeah, just so easily. And this card comes from inside this frame. So that's what I did. I used this outer border part, and then I cut it, and then I used the inside part, which is perfect to put it inside this TV because you need to be a smaller piece to fit into this whole thing. So I just thought that was like perfect for this. So it's so awesome. And so I believe this was in the camera. So now you have this image, and I just made another slot here, and you can slot this in like this, and then open it up, and here you have this other image inside. Pretty neat. And you can have a different image. You can have this rabbit. Just put it in. Open it up. It's so cool. So yeah, these are my projects. I have many more to show you. I'm so excited to work on them and can't wait to show you those ones. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.